Hey everybody, I'm back with my second video for this week on our chart here, our graph. So one of the things I want to point out is the next line I'm adding is right here, this arrow. And one of the things that's going to happen is they've cut out the insurance agent, like I talked about yesterday, that makes them more money. And that not only are they going to raise the rates, but once you call the insurance company, and this is going to be the claims department of the insurance company, one of the things that they're going to do, they're going to short pay the claim, meaning that if you've got $10,000 worth of damage, they're going to pay you somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000. And the reason for this is because, again, they're raising your premium because you've got an at-fault accident, and they're going to short pay, which makes them more money. We recently did, and we're still in the middle of actually, a claim for an Allstate insured policyholder, and Allstate's doing this, and one of the things that I showed their policyholder is that last year Allstate had over $3 billion, that's right, with a B, billion, $3 billion in profit, but they're still going to want to raise your premiums and short pay you on that claim. Tomorrow we're going to add some more lines and some more cool things on here. See you then.